In this video, I'll show you how to know if you're blocked. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to mimic a real blocked situation. So, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my search button and I'm going to click on this account here. Now you can see I can see all of this account. Now, I'll ask this account to block me now, and then we can see what's happening, what's going to happen after we try to view the account. And you can see that after the account blocked me, once I try to find it, it says the profile is not available. Now, when I go back and I try to search this profile again, it's still gonna come that same way. Now let's clear this search and let's look for the profile again. I think it's Petit Parliament. Now you can see that as part of my account that I'm looking for, I can no longer see the account. So that's how to officially know if someone has blocked you or you are blocked by someone. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.